Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna go ahead and replace the airbag right here. We need to take off this piece. We're gonna replace the airbag, and also I think they come with a I think they come with what they come with the wire separate from the clock spring, so maybe we need a clock spring or maybe not. So we're gonna get into that and see if we need a clock spring. So let's get started. So first you're gonna need a car on, right? So you want to pull up on this right here, and just so you can get enough room to get access behind here, because in there you're gonna have some holes back here where you gotta go into to get access. So you want to get the steering wheel all the way out and all the way down, and get this, find this hole right here. I guess nothing is in that hole, so I gotta get a mirror and I'll look at behind here, and then we can go behind from there. So guys, this part of the job won't be easy where you take this off. So basically you need to get a mirror. Where's my mirror? You need to get a mirror to look back here, to push this back here, to unhook, to bring this down like this, because you want to unhook it from these right here. So that's what you got to do, is unhook it from under here, just like that. So that's what you got to do. And it looked like we have a plug, so this right here is a plug, so we don't need the clock spring. We just need to pull back this red tab right here. Once we pull the red tab back, we can squeeze this yellow piece right here, and that will come off just like this. So you're gonna need to rotate it to work from behind here. These they will lock, so you gotta get something in here, but from the other side to push it back like that. So it's gonna be something like this. As you see that motion right there. So it's gonna be something like that to unhook these right here. You have one right here, one right here, one right here. So you're gonna have one hole down here. You have to turn it. That's why I said turn the car on, because you're gonna have one hole right here for that, another hole right here, and another hole right here, and that's how you're gonna take it off. And we just got to get rid of this airbag, because once the airbag deployed, this will fuse to the system. So that's with that, we're gonna go ahead and order this part of the wire. As you can see, the part number is right here. Get the part number for you. It's one of these numbers, I'm not sure. So guys, finally get the part. That's the part number right there. And what this part does, it goes between the clock spring and the horn. So you gotta plug it in here. Once you plug that in there, you lock that in. And now we're gonna get this, and we're gonna add it towards it. We're gonna add it to it right now. We're gonna plug it in and then install it. So we're gonna plug in the horn. And then we plug in the airbag. So once that's plugged in, you line it up and it locked in, and that's it. That's it for that. I'll go ahead and start the car. I don't know if the airbag light's gonna come off, but I still have more work to do to the system, so I know the airbag light will still be on, so the airbag won't deploy, because I have more work to do to the car. I have to do the seat belt, which is lock. So that's what we're gonna do next. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time.